unlocking a world of knowledge in an instant. Ready for today's quick insight?
If your phone won't turn on, first, ensure it's fully charged by plugging it in for at least 15 to 30 minutes. Second, perform a soft reset by holding down the power button and volume down button simultaneously for 10 seconds. For iPhones 7 and older, use the home button instead of the volume down. Third, check for any physical damage or water exposure. If these steps do not work, it may be a hardware issue, and contacting the manufacturer or a professional repair service is advisable.
We've quenched today's curiosity, but there's always more to learn. Keep the curiosity alive by subscribing and joining us for our next adventure.